Everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to make a short video about the Kickstarter not engaging when you go to push it down. It's actually a super simple fix, and this is a part of the DT200 restoration, but I found this when I was fixing the engine and I figured that this might actually help a couple people. So if you have a mechanism similar to this and the gear isn't coming forward like that, now this could be either consistently, never, or only when you turn it slowly, this solution might actually help you. The great thing is this solution's completely free. It's going to take 2 minutes and you don't have to replace any parts. So first things first, get it out of the bike and disassemble it. So this is going to work if the Kickstarter mechanism is similar to the DT200 or DT125, but I know a lot of bikes use a similar mechanism. So now that it's apart, I'll show you where the issue is. The issue is here. See the clip? How it's spinning around with very minimal force? That's not what it's supposed to do. So what we're going to do is just compress it in my hand. And so the idea is that this is worn over time, and that tension that's gripping it to the gear has actually dissipated. So it's starting to become loose, and hence it's spinning. So now that I've compressed it, it doesn't move as easy. Now the reason why you want this is when this cog spins on the drive gear, it'll actually the clip goes inside of a notch. And I'm going to show you this in the next 30 seconds in the video, so hang around. If that clip moves within that notch, it won't create any force to push it out. So that compressive force on the gear needs to have tension, so then when you spin the drive gear, the clip stays in the notch, which then pulls that gear forward to then engage with the clutch basket. So as I'm reassembling it, you're going to see what I mean right about now. So I'm pointing there to the notch. That's where the clip needs to sit inside of. So then when it spins, it's gripping the gear and pulls it out. And then that other notch, I'll put an arrow on the screen, that goes on the other side in the other hole. So I'm going to put it all in where it needs to go now. Then I'm going to re-tension the spring so then it flicks back. And every engine will be similarly designed to this, and then we'll give it a test. And as you can see straight away, every single movement pulls it forward now, and the problem was that clip. So tighten the clip and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, leave it a like, consider subscribing. This channel is all about motorbike restoration. Currently I'm restoring this DT200R. In the past we've restored KLR 250s, XT 250s, and we have more bikes. So consider subscribing if you enjoy motorbike restoration, and we'll see you in the next video.